Oh, Jesus Christ! M10 RTH. Mate, I saw that. I've got that on camera. That was crazy. Yeah, well, I've got that on camera. If you look up his registration, I think it was M10 RTH or a Magneton online. If you look it up, I'll stick it up later tonight, okay? Because that's. I think it was M10 RTH or something similar. But if you look up Helmet Karma Cyclist Glasgow, you'll find me, and I'll stick it up online.
Perfect. Thanks a lot.
And we'll get abuse from folk behind us as well.